Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from home effectively. First, let's set up your ideal study zone. Find a quiet, dedicated space in your home that you can use consistently. Make sure it has good lighting, ideally natural light, and a comfortable, ergonomic chair to support you. Remember to minimize distractions by turning off phone notifications and keeping your area tidy. Next, let's structure your study time effectively. Create a consistent daily routine, treating your study sessions like important appointments. Break down larger assignments into smaller, manageable chunks to make them less daunting. It's also crucial to schedule regular, short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every 45 to 60 minutes, to help maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. Now, let's talk about maximizing your learning efficiency. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by summarizing it in your own words or even trying to teach it to someone else. Incorporate diverse resources like educational videos or practice problems. Regularly review concepts to reinforce your understanding and move information from short-term to long-term memory. Finally, prioritizing your well-being is essential for sustained success. Ensure you get adequate sleep, aiming for at least 8 hours, and maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Remember to connect with friends and family regularly to combat feelings of isolation and maintain a positive mindset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.